Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to dive into the basics of HTML, the foundational language of the web. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. So let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Languages. It is the standard languages used to create web pages or web applications. HTML describes the structure of web pages using elements and tags. These elements are the building blocks of any website. We'll look at basic HTML structured document. Every HTML document starts with a doctype declaration, followed by the HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag we have the head and body sections. Let's take a close look at each part. The document type HTML declaration defines the document type and version of HTML. The HTML text is the root elements of an HTML page. The head section consists meta information about the document, such as the title, character set, and links to styles and scripts. For example, the title tag defines the title of the web page, which appears in the browser title bar. The body section contains the content of the web pages, such as text, images, links, and other elements. Everything you see on a web pages is inside the body tags. Here is a basic example. Now let's go over some common HTML tags that you'll use frequently. For example, to create a link, you would use the I tag like this. That's it for today's introduction to HTML. I hope you found this video helpful. In the next video we'll delve deeper into more advanced HTML elements and techniques. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.